Well, hello. Where did you come from?
Oh, please don't kill Prince John. Mama said he'll chop off my head.
Oh, don't be afraid. You've done nothing wrong.
Oh, Marion, what a bonny wee bunny.
Now, who does this young archer remind you of?
Oh, well, upon my word, the notorious Robin
Hood. That's right. Well, only Robin Hood wears a hat like that.
Yeah, and look at this King Robin Hood bow.
Oh, Marion, don't look around. But I do believe we're surrounded. Oh, mercy.
He snitched on us.
It's all right, children. Don't be afraid. Please come here.
Do you think it's safe? That's May Marian. Mama said she's awful nice. Come on. Hey,